Hi guys, here's how you make easy and delicious 5 ingredient chocolate biscuits. First, you add melted butter, followed by caster sugar, baking powder, all purpose flour, and cocoa powder. I'm going to mix these together using an electric whisk, but you can also go in with a spork with a fork, spatula, or spoon. We just want it to become one crumbly mixture before we go in with our hands and knead it. I'm going to knead it till it comes together and becomes a ball. And at this point, if you feel like the mixture is too dry, just feel free to add a tablespoon of milk to it. And the batter is done. Here you can make little balls out of it and put it on your baking sheet to bake. However, I'm going to make it into little star-shaped biscuits. Take a plate or any flat surface, put a baking sheet on it, butter paper or parchment paper, you add the dough to it. Then you add another piece of parchment paper on top. You can take a ramekin or anything with a flat surface and press down your ball of dough with it. After that, just take whatever cookie cutter you want to use and cut the shape out of it. And here we have our star-shaped cookie dough ready. I'm going to pop these in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. These chocolate biscuits rise slightly, but they don't spread a lot, so you can put more in per batch. And here it is, our chocolate biscuits are freshly baked and ready. Wasn't that simple? Now let's move on to the glaze. For the chocolate glaze, mix together your cocoa powder and powdered sugar. Make sure you're using extra fine icing sugar. To that, add your milk and mix it up. Then add your vanilla essence to it. Alternatively, you could use vanilla extract and mix it up more. Take each of your freshly baked chocolate biscuits and dip them into your glaze. Enjoy this with a cup of cold milk and don't forget to like this video.